Hey guys, Ultimate Diesel. We're changing the oil on a 2002 Tacoma. First thing you gotta do is take the skid plate off to get to the oil plug. And the next thing you do is take the oil plug off with a 14 millimeter socket. And you might need a breaker bar. I think we're gonna need a breaker bar. Yeah.
Is this one long enough?
I don't know, man. I think it's too long.
I don't know, man. I think that's good.
What happened to the one you had on Monday?
Oh, it's in my truck. I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Here, I have some other ones.
Or just even just a longer wrench.
Here, no, I got you.
Oh, there you go. Is this just
It
conduit?
was supposed to be fun of it.
Oh. Well, we can redo that then. You can't say that's not a date, bro.
Yeah, that's 100%.
She's got all this.
Recording that whole time.
Your dad's gonna watch that and be like, oh my gosh, dude. This is the highest quality breaker bar they sell at Home Depot. $400. Now, before you take this drain plug out, you are gonna want to take your oil cap off. Is it still recording my audio? Yeah. You're gonna want to take the oil cap off so the oil will come out a lot faster. All right. So we broke it off with the breaker bar now. Now, make sure you got a pan to put your oil into. Oh, that wasn't that bad.
Boom.
That's some pretty dirty oil.
That's some thick oil right there.
I think that's 1030.
You start splashing out in your face.
Oh.
Alright, so if we hold a light up to that stuff, it doesn't look that bad. It's pretty bad. For a gas or engine, it's a little bad.
Be prepared to get your hands messy.
Now,
And your
he was
socket.
actually pretty good with being quick, but
Your tools will
now,
get messy.
show him the tool.
This is why you do not use something you care about.
Yeah, don't use like an impact or anything. You'll get it all oily.
I will say this isn't rusted.
Oh, that drain plug does not have a rubber gasket. Some people say you should
It
replace
might
it every time.
be stuck on the oil pan. I had that happen.
How about the magnet on this side?
No.
There is a magnet on this side, and it picks up any oil on your
Or any metal. Oh, that's kind of smart. We're gonna take the oil filter off.
Now, the oil filter is in a very bad spot on this truck.
Yeah. Now I bought the highest performance oil filter known to man. It's a Wix.
A Wix.
Yeah, I think this will work. Fits around it.
So we're using a band clamp wrench, which is nice. But they make all sorts. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to get it from where it's at all.
We'll have to see.
I don't think so. There's no way you're getting
Oh. How do you?
that. There's no way you're getting that. I think you get it from the top.
No, I need to. I wonder how much it'd be to put some in.
I got some right there.
Would they work?
Yeah.
Actually? Yeah. How much? How much? Oh.
Free.
No, that's not it. No.
I know that's not where it goes. I'm just quick. Get it.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, I swapped the camera around.
Nope. High face.
Maybe you can get it from the top.
It's behind the alternator. Dude, if we take the alternator out, I'm not. Last time we took the alternator out, we were here. Yeah, I think that's a bottom kind of thing.
That's so stupid. Mine is just straight down. It comes down further than the whole frame.
We should have watched a YouTube video. Just kidding. I would never.
YouTube videos are for the week, bro.
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't know.
Making a YouTube video? You
We're
calling
making it for all of the gay people.
all the what?
The gay people.
We should put that. You should put that in there.
Yeah.
All right. I personally, I have not used a band thing before, so we'll see how
It's
this
kind of hard to
goes.
figure out, but you'll get it. Hand me the light.
Oh, I've got this on the wrong way. Hand you the light. Watch out, you're right under where the oil's spilling.
Oh, it's already spilling?
Out of this.
Did you crack it loose? Oh.
No, I
Yeah,
haven't.
let me hold the camera right above the oil.
Yeah.
Stupid. Dude, this gimbal is not liking.
It's an oil filter.
What's it made out of?
Oil and filters? I don't know.
Alright guys, so your oil filter is actually made out of oil and filters, if you didn't know.
That is, dude, you might be able to get this off by hand.
You might, if it's loose. Somebody might have did it the right way.
It's coming. It's gonna come off. Yeah, they.
Bro,
Did they get on you?
I don't know.
It looked like it was about to go all over your face.
Yeah, that would have sucked. I would have left.
Oh yeah. No, the reason. Oh, the reason it's oranged up like this is because it won't spill as much
Yeah, it will.
oil.
Yeah, it
I'm
will.
gonna just leave it like this for a second. Man, this thing really had to go.
Go some more, bro. Let's go.
This thing's been holding that in for years.
Oh, you already got it all the way out.
Yeah, it's off.
Nice. See, I can see what you're doing through the camera.
All right. Oil filter off. Let's see what we had in there. An eco guard. Oh. Anything with the word eco in it is not good.
Exactly.
Doesn't look like there's any in there.
No, that's fine.
All right, so we're gonna. Are you still recording?
Yes.
We're gonna put the new filter on. You always want to make sure you get some oil on your finger, new oil, and just lube the gasket.
Why is that?
Because if you don't do that, you will never get this back off.
That's a good point.
Especially in this truck. If you don't do this, you will have to literally send a screwdriver through the thing and torque it off.
Which sometimes doesn't work, and then you break the whole filter off, and then you can't get it out.
And you're supposed to pre-fill your filter, but with the way this is mounted in there, it's kind of difficult to do. So I'm just going to pre-fill it a little bit. I mean,
Now, as you guys can see, this truck has an oil leak somewhere.
every old Toyota has an oil leak.
It's a
somewhere.
Toyota, so it's got an oil leak. That's just is how it is.
The engine runs forever, but it can't stop leaking oil.
Does it drink it?
Not really.
Oh, I told you that would happen.
Yeah.
Dude, that were like $5.
$50 in oil. Plus 11 in a filter.
See, now I can't see the filter because it's black. If you guys can see the filter up in there, he's just turning it on. It was oriented upside down. So that's why
I think that's a little bit not normal.
That's why he couldn't pre-fill it. Now, they say to do it just a little hand tight, but he's going to take the wrench and just kind of snug it down a little bit.
Okay.
Why don't you put the mic on the side of the drain plug?
Oh. You want to move this bin over a little bit?
No. I got clean hands, bro.
I don't. All right. Now, it's easier to put a wrench on here to tighten it than it is to loosen it.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Oh, our camera's about to die. Well, if our camera doesn't die, we'll finish this video.
You have batteries for it.
What do you mean? It's USB-C chargers.
Yeah.
What are you talking about with the USB attachment?
I'm just gonna, not too much because I won't be able to get this off by hand later. Next time we do this.
I don't really have the angle for you guys.
I think that's good. All right.
Good enough.
Put that in.
Now,
The drain plug.
Mr. Client, are you sure that you don't want to clean those off?
Sure, let's clean them. Some more content. Wait, what? Oh, I said that out loud. Crap. Alright.
Alright, so we gave these a quick rinse. Didn't detail them, but who cares? They're skid plates.
You gotta talk in the microphone.
They can hear me. That mic
Okay.
picks up everything. You're supposed to be doing this. Narrate.
What?
Narrate, bro. Let's go.
Narrate what, man? What? Do you remember what millimeter these were?
What are you doing, bro?
Were these also
Where's
14?
the socket? I don't know.
Dude, you took it off, brother.
Oh, those were not
Oh.
14. Those were like
13 or 12.
They're 12. Just put it up there.
I don't remember. I don't know what's going on here, brother. And then I'm gonna put this skid plate on. Putting them on at the same time. Legitimately was the solution because this goes like this. Alright guys, so update, we just figured out you can just get to the oil plug from here without needing the skid plate, and if your filter's not on very tightly, you can get it from here. You can just reach your hand up there and unscrew it. It just makes it a little bit easier if you take the plate off, and also it looks nicer on camera. There you go, boom, excuse. Next thing we're gonna do is drop the truck and then fill it with oil. You wanna make sure your vehicle is on a level surface so your levels are right. All right, so I looked it up online and this truck takes 5.5 quarts. So we got 5 quarts right here, we got 1 quart right there. So we should be able to overfill it.
It's always good, guys. Remember to drown your engine in oil. Or you can't put too much oil in.
/S. We're gonna need a,
Your exhaust might smoke a little bit if you put too much in. That's totally fine.
because it's just burning off the excess, and once it burns off the excess, you have the perfect amount in there. Ambulance rides are too expensive.
Yeah, we are. Now we are filling up the oil.
Oh, now we're filling up the oil. 5.5 quarts.
What kind of oil did you buy?
5W30.
What brand?
Mobile 1. Ultra full synthetic high mileage. Definitely make sure you buy the high mileage stuff if your vehicle is high mileage.
Also, make sure you buy full synthetic every time.
Yes.
There's no reason to go
To
with
not.
any other.
There's never reason not to.
So it turns out here at Ultimate Diesel, we don't know how to look at these containers.
No.
Dad, edit that out.
Yeah, definitely make sure you leave the dad part in there. It's like, Dad, leave that out. Dad, can you read this for me?
Dad, put a link in the description.
I accidentally did 100 milliliters over.
That's fine. I mean, like you said, if you just put a little too much, it'll just burn off.
Definitely make sure you tap your funnel out excessively.
You don't want to light your engine. What do you got? You gotta show the camera.
I was gonna clean it off first.
Yeah.
We're right at a little bit, smidge over half, which is right where you want to be. I would marry a Mexican just for their food.
Hey, cut it off!
We probably forgot to
Hang on. Wait a minute. I don't think we put enough oil in. You start it up again. Maybe it'll go away.
Did we put the plug back in?
I don't know, man. Yeah, I got it.
All right, we gotta rebuild the engine. Give me the impact set.
Tear it out. Let's go.
You gotta make that just one flip by itself.
Yeah, and then post it as a reel. Yeah.
I've seen that one before.
I have. I've seen the dude who does it.
But that's how you get popular. You just copyright.
Copy things.
Yeah.
I wish I could have heard. Like, I doubt that mic picked up, or this mic picked up the cussing. Like, oh, frick,
I didn't.
dude.
Oh yeah, it was not real cussing.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I don't think it picked it up though.
Yeah.
We need 2 mics.
I was yelling real loud on purpose, so.
I don't think
pick
it.
me up.
I don't
All
think
right,
I heard it.
it does actually run.
So what now?
We're done. We're done, guys. Shut it up. See you tomorrow. All right, guys. Finish the oil change. Make sure you clean up your workspace. Very important. You can take your old oil to like any auto parts store that sells oil, and they'll recycle it for you for free. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, repost, reshare, all the things.